Hi guys, welcome back to another video with me, Chosen Petty in the kitchen. Right guys, how are you all doing? Hope you're doing fine, hope you're doing great. Yes guys, today's video is just a little something for my kitchen, an addition to my kitchen guys. Okay, I have purchased the Imperial chest freezer. So guys, help me unbox my fridge. Okay, my new addition to my kitchen. Okay, ready? So guys, here it is. Yep. Yep. Yes guys. Ta-da! Come down in that camera girl. Show the peeps. My fridge. See guys, and me and Uno unbox it together, you know. See it there, I'm gonna pull it. Alright. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna have to pop up the top of that. You can't just leave it like that. Nice. See? Yes, peeps. What next? I'm gonna get it out, guys. Yes, thank you, camera girl. Do the thing. Yes, guys, my daughter behind the scene. My daughter is my camera girl. See there, guys. Brand new. It's not a joke. Look at it. Guys, oh, you love the color. I love the color. Comments, guys, and tell me if you love the color and what you think about the color. Yup. So, guys. Look at time. I mean, I want to scrape it up, you know, guys. Look at time and take off the tape, right? Look at time. Take off the tape, guys. Alright? Yes, guys. Look at this. Yup. This is a little thing here. Guys, as you can see, we are unboxing it together. Wow. This is how it looks. This is the inside of it. Yes, guys. Guys, you know what I love about it? It comes with key. Yes. It comes with key. See it here? Guys, lock out the kids them out of it. I can put things in it now, guys, and lock them out. So this is the manual, which is the user instruction. Okay, these are the keys. See that, guys? Told you, come with keys. Yes, guys. So this is how the inside looks. This is how the inside looks. I'm gonna look a basket. Put my things in it, guys. Yes. Yup. Guys, comments below and tell me if you love the color. And if you know nothing about this brand, comments below and let me know. The brand is Imperial. Yes. You see, guys, Imperial. So yeah, yes guys, hope you enjoy this little unboxing. This is the back, in the side. This is the back of it. Yup. Turn that around, guys. love these. So what do you think? I'm just loving the color. And the key part here. Yes. So guys, hope you enjoy this little video. Guys, show me some love by subscribing to my channel. And guys, thank you for all the subscribers. Thank you for your views, guys. Comment in the comment section, guys. Leave a thumbs up, guys. Thank you for all the supporters. Guys, continue to support me, guys. Okay? As I really try to go on this journey. So journey with me, guys. Okay? So only hope you enjoy this little video. So have a great one. Bye.